other GM.
And she is Clarice.
We're here to show you a unique itinerary for a 4-day stay in Taiwan, a railway-themed itinerary.
With this itinerary, the journey truly becomes a destination as we travel on Taiwan's scenic railway routes. Here's a preview of what to expect.
We'll also visit nearby attractions from museums to trail hikes.
And we'll also be sampling food from the different places that the train stops at.
It's inexpensive, comprehensive, convenient, and stress-free.
Best of all, it's environment friendly.
All aboard Taiwan by train!